Latest updates that is coming in, as you pointed out, the notorious gangster who is, of course, the main accused in the shootout case was in fact spotted in a hotel in Faridabad area on Tuesday. In fact, a CCTV footage that has now been recovered by the UP police also shows that the Vikas Dubey is in fact standing there in a mask. In fact, the raids were conducted at the Faridabad hotel and two men who worked with the gangster were then arrested. 25 police teams have been conducting the raids to arrest this dreaded gangster who has been missing since last week's massacre that, remember, claimed 8 lives of the policemen.
One of the most wanted gangsters, Vikas Dubey, who is involved and who is the main accused in the killing of 8 policemen in Kanpur district in Uttar Pradesh, was hiding in Faridabad. According to the police sources, the moment the police reached this particular hotel, which is in Faridabad, it's Sri Sasaram Hotel, Oyo Hotel in Faridabad area, where apparently, according to the sources, Vikas Dubey and 2 of his aides were hiding here. So in this particular hotel, they had come and they wanted to check into the hotel. While they were checking into the hotel, the CCTV caught his grab, and before the cops could make an entry here or could do a raid here, before the cops could come here, he escaped, and somehow his 2 aides have been caught by the police. They are in the custody of Faridabad police, but Vikas Dubey is still missing. We will be speaking to the manager here at the hotel. सर, आप बताना चाहेंगे कि क्या इवेंट हुआ था, क्या यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था?
मैम, 2 शख्स आए थे 12:30 से 1 के बीच में. उन्होंने आईडी दी अंकुर नाम की. उस पर फ़ोटो ब्लर थी और पैन कार्ड था, उस पर एड्रेस नहीं था. मैंने उनसे कहा कोई आईडी दो, आधार कार्ड या डीएल, जिनसे आपका एड्रेस हो और मैं एंट्री करके पैड में रजिस्टर में आपको रूम दे सकूं. मैंने कहा कोई दूसरी आईडी दो. उन्होंने कोई दूसरी आईडी नहीं दी मुझे और उसके बाद वो चले गए नीचे.
According to the manager of the hotel, it took 2.5 or 3 hours for the Faridabad police to come here, and before the Faridabad police could raid the entire hotel, Vikas Dubey has escaped.
More news that's breaking this minute. Mirror now has accessed the details of what unfolded after the Kanpur shootout. Now and where did the gangster Vikas Dubey flee to, and how he was spotted in the Faridabad hotel. Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who's joining me with further updates on this. Alok, if you can piece together those missing information, the entire sequence of what happened, how did the gangster really flee after that entire shootout, where was he spotted later, and how was he eventually spotted in Faridabad hotel?
Well, Apurva, the whole sequence will be coming out after the interrogation of these 3 persons who are nabbed in Faridabad. That also include the close confidant Prabhat Mishra. And let me tell you that Vikas Dubey had fled from the shootout spot, that is Bikru village, where the 8 police personnel were killed. After killing them, he managed to run away in 3 vehicles. Out of those 3 vehicles, one was recovered from Auraiya district, that is located near the bordering areas of Madhya Pradesh as well. So that is why the police was suspecting that he might have gone to Madhya Pradesh. That's why the teams were also sent to Madhya Pradesh. The second aspect is that from that place, he managed to run away various places. And now, yesterday, he was spotted in Faridabad. That is a different, that is completely different direction. So where he had gone, that will be, in fact, all these dots will be, in fact, corroborated when their interrogation will be completed, those who are arrested as of now. But his last location was found out in Faridabad. There is a hotel where he was trying to get the room. At that point in time, yesterday, what had happened, Faridabad police got the tip off that he is staying in a house in Harinagar. They conducted the raid there and they managed to arrest 3 persons that include Prabhat. During the course of interrogation, they revealed that they had tried to get the hotel room in Faridabad only, but because they did not have proper ID proof, so that's why they did not manage to get the room. Then Vikas Dubey managed to flee from that place, but police has got the success in nabbing 3 persons that include Vikas's close associate. So as of now, what we can say, the teams in all these districts, nearby districts of Faridabad, have been alerted. All police personnel have been alerted. We hope that he will be arrested very soon. But this is the sequence of Vikas Dubey fleeing as of now that we are getting. Back to you.
All right, Alok, request you to stay with us at this point. We're getting more news that's breaking this minute. The bounty on Vikas Dubey has now been increased to 5 lakh from 2.5 lakh. Remember, the other accused from 50,000 from 25,000. So that's the latest now coming in with the bounty on Vikas Dubey that has now been increased to 5 lakh from 2.5 lakh that was put on him earlier. And even as we speak, there are of course police personnel, more than 3,000 police personnel who are continuing to launch a massive manhunt to nab the dreaded gangster. So far, he has not been caught. However, there have been multiple arrests made of his aides who have been involved and have had a very close association with him. So right now, we're given to understand that the bounty on Vikas Dubey currently stands increased. It has now been increased to 5 lakh. Earlier, the reward money was 2.5 lakh.